Hello and welcome to another update video on Link. I mean, Chainlink really seems to be frozen at the moment. The chart is still moving within the boundaries of the previously communicated support and resistance levels. I continue to have absolutely no signal that a meaningful low has formed here on this chart. I know, I wish it was different, but no, it isn't. And you know, I still can see only sideways action here on this chart. It's a sideways triangle pattern that's forming here. In the blue scenario, I can label it an X-wave triangle that's forming here, like this, yeah. A, B, C, D, E in a triangle pattern, and then one more low is possible. And that is plausible, especially as long as we form this sequence and continue with this sequence of higher lows and lower highs. So there is absolutely no breakout signal at the moment. Movements to the upside are weak. Resistance is between 1765 and 1845. Micro support between 1639 and 1695. The market is just grinding sideways, no strong directional focus here. So it remains a very, very fragile pattern, and one more low easily possible. I'd say the pressure is rather to the downside because we're coming from a correction and there's no real reversal pattern. So just technically, the correction that started in August is still unfolding. It is possible, though, that a low already formed. I mean, it's possible, for example, this wave 2 is resetting, yeah. And this wave 2 might even get one more low. The invalidation point for this wave 2 is located at $15. I have to say, I actually have to shift this lower a bit. It would be this. I don't think it's changed much. But yeah, micro support is actually $16.01 and $16.85. So slight change to the micro support area. But what really matters is that the bulls show up before we break below $13.30, because any break below is basically too deep for this wave 2. So whether the wave 2, this correction already finished in October, or we still get another low, isn't so important in the grand scheme of things. What really is important is that the bulls turn up before we break below 13.30. And really what I said to you before is still very, very much valid. We really need a break above 1845 for a signal that a low is in. That would be the earliest signal. For a more meaningful signal, we need a break above those trend lines, especially the area around $21.30, $21.50. If we look at the larger time frame for Link, then you see the bigger picture and you see the problem that we're dealing with, because we're still below so many resistances. All of these lines provide resistance. Support is holding as well, but ultimately this is a long range. And it's still, in my opinion, one of the more reliable altcoin charts. Yeah, it's been quite stable. Support levels have been holding, but no breakout signal yet. So I'm very much watching this area. And here you see why the 1330 level is so important, because it is the last relevant support level for a wave 2 correction, which started down here in June. So I'll keep you updated about any changes. I'm closely monitoring this chart every single day. I keep an eye on it for you guys. So hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then yeah, check out our X channel for additional charts, news, updates, and much more. There you can also find charts that we don't usually cover on YouTube, for example. So you're very well informed there. So also, some of you might not even know it. We have a partnership with Bybit. They are one of the main crypto exchanges out there. If you are looking to try a new platform or you want to give Bybit a go, you'll find the link in the description and pinned in the comments. New users get reduced trading fees for the first 30 days, and there are currently exclusive cashback campaigns running for active MCO traders. By using that link, you're also supporting the MCO project and the wider network that makes it possible for us to bring you high quality market analysis every single day across this and across all the other channels of our network. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.